In primetime news this evening, yet another fish kill in the Rio Cobre. Fishers left fuming.
Blue Hole operator distances the attraction from the recent death of a tourist.
And business operators now desperate as break-ins and robberies continue. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. In the business day, Courts Ready Cash gets microfinancing license.
And for a preview of what's to come in sports, here is Spencer Darlington.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the standard of another football field in St. Catherine is under the microscope this evening. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And will we be having another cloudy day tomorrow? Here's Romaine Robinson with a snippet of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Andrea. Yes, we do have some clouds expected, especially across central and western parishes tomorrow. But on the weekend, we do have an increase in the likelihood of shower activity across the island. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and e-prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your reaction to yet another reported fish kill in the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.